Are you on the hunt for the best AI tools to elevate your digital marketing game? You're in the right place. In the world of digital marketing, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, but a transformative reality. It's reshaping how we strategize, create, and deliver content. Today, we're going to explore 5 top AI tools that can supercharge your digital marketing efforts, helping you reach your audience more effectively. Stay tuned as we dive into the first of these powerful AI tools. First up, let's talk about Phrasee. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Imagine an AI tool that optimizes your language for email marketing, push notifications, and social ads. That's Phrasee. It doesn't just generate text, it creates human-like dialogue that consistently outperforms us humans in split tests. It's like having a seasoned copywriter on your team, tirelessly working around the clock. With Phrasee, you're bringing the power of AI language optimization to your fingertips. Next, let's delve into Pahmatics, a tool that gives you a peek into your competitors' strategies. As you navigate the choppy waters of digital marketing, Pahmatics serves as your compass, providing detailed insights into your rivals' ad strategies across varied digital platforms. It's like having a spyglass that not only sees what others are doing, but also analyzes their ad performance and spend. It's all about getting that edge, and with Pahmatics, staying ahead of the competition becomes a breeze. Now let's explore MarketMuse, the AI tool that takes content creation to the next level. MarketMuse utilizes artificial intelligence to identify gaps and opportunities within your content. Imagine having a personal consultant who scrutinizes your content and provides insightful recommendations for improvement. That's MarketMuse for you. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, helping you craft SEO-optimized content that ranks higher in search engine results. MarketMuse is your secret weapon for creating SEO-optimized content? Let's switch gears and look at Crayon, the AI tool that keeps you in the know about your market. Crayon harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to meticulously track and analyze market trends, offering you real-time insights that are vital in this digital age. But that's not all. It also monitors competitors' digital footprints, giving you a competitive edge. Imagine knowing every move your competitor makes and strategizing accordingly. With Crayon, you're always one step ahead in the market. Finally, let's talk about Conversica, the AI tool that makes lead generation a cinch. Conversica uses artificial intelligence to automate the process of engaging and nurturing leads, taking the heavy lifting off your shoulders. It's like having an extra team member who can handle thousands of leads simultaneously. From initial outreach to follow-ups, Conversica ensures every lead receives personalized attention. The result? No lead slips through the cracks, and you see a significant boost in conversion rates. Conversica ensures no lead slips through the cracks, boosting your conversion rates. Well, there you have it. 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing digital marketing. We've explored Phrasee's language optimization, Pahmatics' ad intelligence, MarketMuse's content strategy, Crayon's market tracking, and Conversica's lead engagement. These tools are here to empower your marketing strategies. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with these game changers. Remember, in the digital marketing world, staying ahead means staying updated. Don't miss out on the power of AI. For more information, check out the description below.